Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how we can rename our worksheet. So I will show you two ways. So let's learn the first way to rename the Excel worksheet. Just double click here and it will in a editable mode. So just write sales 2020. Okay, so see here sheet 1 is changed, here sales 2020. Suppose you want to change sheet 4, just click here and right click and select rename. Suppose dashboard. So that's it for this video. Thank you. If you like, then please subscribe this channel.